The Sahara Desert in Africa is the largest hot desert in the world and the third largest desert overall by surface area. Now, imagine a wall stretching across Africa, not of bricks, but of trees built to counter the desert's expansion. This is the Great Green Wall initiative, a bold initiative to restore land and fight desertification in Africa. But beyond the environment, this initiative is also about people, communities, and stability. Our research has explored the connection between this forest-based land restoration and food security in the countries involved in this initiative. In many regions, land degradation isn't just an ecological issue, it's also a social one. For instance, the question that can be asked is, who owns the land? Who benefits from its restoration? Without clear land rights and governance, progress towards restored land can be slow and conflicts may arise. When people have legal rights to their land, they are more likely to invest in sustainable practices, and this would then lead to increased productivity and better food availability. Strong institutions are also crucial. Fair policies, inclusive decision-making, and community-led restoration that ensures knowledge sharing about restoration practices between farmers. So the Great Green Wall shouldn't just be about planting trees. Our research demonstrates that it should also be about equity in accessing land, stability, and sustainable food for millions. With the right policies and community involvement, it can be a model for climate action that puts people at the center.